Ever wonder how powerful the Corgi gene really is? Like, seriously powerful. You mix a Corgi with any dog, and boom, tiny legs. This is a Huskorgi. A German Shepherd mix? Nah, it's a Germorgi. Look at this cutie, Bordergi. A golden retriever. Meet the Goldgi. This one? Dirtgi. Don't laugh, he's trying his best. Corgi plus Labrador equals Labrigi. A white-faced Chickgi, Corgi plus Shiba Inu equals Shibakovski. And finally, a flying Corgi. No dog has ever escaped the Corgi curse. Why? Because of a gene called FGF4. It controls leg growth, and it's dominant. So yeah, no matter how long those legs were, Corgi genes will cut them in half. Which mix was your favorite, or did I miss one? Drop it in the comments.